Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II offers improvements over its predecessor, making it more comfortable for shooting while maintaining its compact size and capable performance. The G7X II is built around a 1-inch type CMOS sensor, giving it better image quality than a small sensor compact camera or a smartphone. The built-in lens is a fast f1.8 to 2.8 24 to 100mm zoom, providing a lot of reach and decent low-light capabilities in a small package. The tilting touchscreen LCD makes it easy to set up and take your shots from any angle, making it ideal for selfies or street photography. The image quality, especially color rendition, is excellent on the G7X II. Its fast burst shooting enables you to capture the action. The grip is comfortable in the hand, and the control ring around the lens can be set to smooth or clicky, making it useful for both photo and video shooting. Our criticisms of the G7X II are a relatively disappointing battery life and slightly mushy fine details in JPEGs. Overall, the Canon G7X II is a well-designed enthusiast compact camera that can capture good quality photos and videos. This pocketable camera is a significant improvement over its predecessor and sits near the top of its class. For more information about the Canon G7X II and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
Here's what you need to know to get started with the Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II. The first additional item you'll need is a memory card. Look for cards with the UHS-1 designation for high read and write speeds, which help if you want to shoot HD video. The next thing we recommend adding to your kit is a spare battery. Canon makes two cases for the G9X Mark II, and both will protect the camera when it's not being used. If you're a fan of social photography, Canon's optional HF DC2 external flash provides more power. The G9X Mark II offers 8 JPEG picture style presets to fine-tune the look of your images. Auto mode will get you great shots without worrying about settings. The G9X Mark II also offers a variety of scene modes for creative effects. But shooting RAW will let you get the most out of the G9X Mark II's sensor. Its touchscreen makes it easy to set focus and navigate settings. When reviewing images, you can swipe between shots and zoom in by double tapping. You can also use the touch interface to customize the front control ring. This ring can be used to adjust exposure settings, picture styles, or to zoom the lens. Send images from the G9X2 to your phone or tablet using built-in Wi-Fi. For more in-depth information about the Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II, including a deep dive into all of its key features, head to dpreview.com.
The Fujifilm X-T30 is a 26-megapixel APS-C mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, designed for enthusiast photographers. Offering several key features inherited from the X-T3, the X-T30 is both smaller and less expensive than Fujifilm's flagship models. With the X-T30, you get Fujifilm's latest 425-point hybrid autofocus system, along with plenty of direct controls and a tilting touchscreen. A high-resolution built-in OLED electronic viewfinder offers 2.36 million dots and a maximum refresh rate of 100 frames per second. This results in a crisp, responsive image that makes photography and image review a pleasure. As we've come to expect from Fujifilm, the X-T30 features generous physical controls, including dedicated dials for exposure compensation and shutter speed. A simple auto toggle allows photographers to quickly switch between manual and fully automatic shooting modes. As well as high-quality stills, the X-T30 also offers very good 4K 30 video, captured without a crop, including features traditionally only available on more expensive cameras. For more information on the Fujifilm X-T30, visit dpreview.com.